Close relationships with professors are a big reason why students choose a small liberal arts college like DePauw. But it's not just class sizes where these connections pay off. I'd like to introduce you to Haley, a vocal performance major who knows the true value of having professors who see and hear you. Haley, tell us more about your experience and your story.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. Knowing I wanted to further my education as a vocalist, it was important for me to plant my roots in a place where I could grow exponentially as a musician and artist, as well as foster meaningful relationships with professors and friends. Little did I know that my professors and peers would not only challenge me academically and help me flourish, but would also help me through the most difficult season of my life. In February of 2021, I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma, undergoing nearly 6 months of cancer treatment while at DePauw. What could have been an incredibly isolating experience was one in which I felt overwhelming support from the DePauw community. Professors were not only accommodating to my physical health during this time, but they were also dedicated to my personal well-being beyond my academic needs. At DePauw, I am more than just a number or even a student. I am known and loved by my community. This doesn't even begin to scratch the surface of the transformative experiences I have been fortunate enough to partake in at DePauw. The music program has furthered my vocal development while inspiring my creativity through rigorous classwork, discussions, and even a choir tour in Amsterdam and Germany. These experiences and the professors who've led them inspired me to pursue a career as an operatic vocalist. As I prepare to embark on the next step of my journey, I have nothing but pride and gratitude for the campus I've called home for the past 4 years. Despite undergoing unexpected difficulties during my college experience, I learned the value of an attentive community and support system. Thank you, DePauw, for making my dreams a reality. What do you say, Alex? Does being a DePauw Tiger sound pretty cool to you?
Wow, Haley, that was moving. Sounds like you have a bright future ahead of you. What happens in the classroom is only a part of the story of your education at DePauw. Knowing that professors are concerned about more than just your grades really means a lot.